Hello Xsens users, my name is Maria and in this tutorial I will explain you how to import MVNX files in MATLAB. First, go to the Xsens website, go to Support and Downloads, scroll down to Tools and Firmware and click on Developer Toolkit. After the app is downloaded, install it in your computer. Once the app is installed, go to the C drive in your computer, Program Files, Xsens, and click in Xsens MVN Developer Toolkit. In the MATLAB folder, you will find two MATLAB scripts. Copy these MATLAB scripts to the folder with the MVN recordings. Now, in the MVN Studio, open your file. After the reprocess finished, you can export the file in MVNX format. In the scroll-down menu, choose MVNX format, and in Show Options, make sure that all the variables are selected. Then, click Export. Open the main MVN v2 script in MATLAB, in the same folder where you saved the MVNX file. First, you need to change the name of the input of the load function to the name of your MVNX file. After clicking Run, you obtain all the parameters that were exported into the MVNX file in a MATLAB structure called tree. If you have further questions, you can go to our base platform or our tutorial page. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.